Welcome, my lovely light, to your yoga Nidra. And in the beginning of this practice, we will be winding down with some relaxing stretches, and then we will be traveling into our yoga Nidra, which is this way to really deeply heal at a cellular system. It is a brain nourish, a brain wash, a brain rinse, a nervous system cleanse. So really grab pillows, blankets. You can do this in the comfort of your own bed, and let's really travel into those spaces that are really painful, into those dark wounds, and let us really expand our ability to heal right before we sleep. It's our most potent energy. Start by getting cozy with whatever it is that you need. Maybe it's really chilly where you're at. Props are going to be your best friend here. So we'll start in a restorative child's pose. So driving whatever props you have. Hopefully it's just pillows, like 2 fluffy pillows are awesome here. And then just start by relaxing your heart forward. And however you need to get cozy and comfy, and just noticing in the hips. Maybe you can't do this right away. Maybe you need to come up in the body, and just taking a moment to sway side to side, giving your body permission to wind down, to just start noticing at the top of the head any tension or tightness that you have been collecting throughout the day. Welcoming that breath in and sending it away. Beautiful. Bringing the awareness into the hands and just gently pushing the body up. And if you have that pillow, just putting it underneath of the sit bones for a straddle pose or a hero's pose. Exhale, allow the chin to go towards the chest, noticing any tension or tightness, and just inviting a breath that says, I am relaxed. So maybe it's just an inhale in and just a sigh of relief on the exhale. Perhaps you can bring your shoulders up towards your ears, because I'm noticing all the tension and tightness, and then exhale it down. As the chin comes down towards the chest, you can gently draw a line up towards the left shoulder, tapping into any tension or tightness in the shoulder. Exhale the chin towards the chest. So wherever you are in your seasons, I live in America, exhale the chin towards the opposite shoulder. We are in winter, and this is the wintering, and as you can see, the weather here is very cold. It makes it harder to get out, but I make it a point to get out. So I want you to acknowledge your wintering. And sometimes we're not wintering in the winter. Sometimes we're feeling more like alive spring or summer energy, but I very much right now am feeling this wintering energy. So giving yourself permission to just be in your season, to stop judging yourself as you welcome that breath in and send it away. Beautiful. Wonderful. If you haven't already, you can dive the chin up to the sky for a big stretch in the back of the neck. The hand on your dominant side can just press into the chin, welcoming the breath in. Good, sending it away. Exhale the chin forward, and you can come meeting onto the sit bones. As you come to the sit bones, extend the right leg long, left heel reaches in towards the body. The elbow on the right can act like a pillow here as you hinge the head, and you can just hold the head here on the right where the left hand stretches up and over. Big sleepy stretch welcomes in. Exhale it away. As we wind our body down in these few postures and we prepare for some deep healing work, remembering that rest is just as important as movement, and that when we rest, it's when our body does its deepest healing work. Beautiful. Inhale that breath in. Sleepy exhale as the left hand reaches down, taking a gentle swap. You can bring that pillow with you and place it underneath of the knee. On the left side, heel drives into the body. Maybe you want to bring your cozy, blankie and snuggly up. The elbow comes into the thigh on the left while the head rests in. The hand sweeps up and over on the right side, welcoming that breath in. Feeling these calm and soothing vibes of the water, of the winter energy here, welcoming that breath in. Beautiful, sending it away. Wonderful. Allowing breath to be our gateway to healing. Beautiful. We'll exhale, meeting the feet together into a seated butterfly. The closer the heels are towards your body, the harder the stretches, the further away the toes are, the more gentle it is on the hips. So finding what you need here, maybe it's just taking a moment to flap your butterfly wings side to side. Maybe you want to rock side to side a little bit, noticing any tension or tightness and being kind to yourself here. As you inhale, back to center, welcome length and energy from the sit bones to the top of the head. Exhale, fold the body forward. Taking a moment to just pause, to just be, to maybe smile, because this is like the first time today you've taken time to just relax and be. Beautiful. Welcome that breath in. Wonderful. Exhaling to the bottom. And if you have that blankie, bring it along with you, of course, always the blankie. And then exhale down to the mat or to your mattress. You can hug the knees into your chest for Apanasana. Beautiful. As you rock side to side, you can create little circles using the knees. You can roll out the ankles here. Beautiful. If you have a block or a pillow, welcome that on the side furthest away from the screen. And then as you exhale, rock side to side, and then exhale, twist and bring both of the bent legs over to the opposite side. A self-adjustment, you could bring a hand to the leg. You can reach the opposite hand out, driving the gaze in the opposite direction, welcoming a lovely laying twist in the spine. If it's too much for you to give yourself that adjustment, you can just airplane the arms out. You can cactus the arms, welcoming a soothing, relaxing breath in. Exhale it away. Finding stillness within your breath. Reaching for relaxation. Welcoming the breath in. Beautiful. Exhale it away. Wonderful. Slowly and mindfully come back to center. I know whenever I do laying twist, my spine gets a little funky. So reset, rock side to side, find what you need, maybe swivel out. And then exhale, setting your prop up on the opposite side, bringing the knees over to the opposite side for relaxation as you stretch the body out. Maybe it is looking towards the opposite direction that the legs are. Maybe it's looking towards the legs, finding restoration. If you wanted to do that self-adjustment, you could put the hand on the thigh just to create a little bit of a deeper stretch in the spine, welcoming the breath in. Good, send it away. Welcome the breath in. Beautiful, send it away. Allowing rest in. Wonderful. Coming back to center. Woo, maybe your spine's feeling a little sensitive. Side to side. Bringing the feet in towards the fingers and reaching, you just sweeping to the middle. Drive the hips up to the sky. And if you have a block or a pillow handy, put that underneath of the hips for laying bridge pose, a supported bridge. Just let your heart be where it is. Let your hips open. Welcome the breath in. Send it away, finding a little ease, allowing your wintering to unfold, to allow yourself to get cozy and be held here, welcoming that breath in. Beautiful. Exhale as you drive the heels down and the sit bones up to the sky, and then release down as we come in for our portion of yoga nidra. So grabbing a pillow and a blanket and letting your body just rest as you lay back. And if it's cold where you are, maybe just snuggling yourself in, really just allowing yourself to feel held, to get cozy and warm, to allow relaxation that starts at the top of the head, softening through the eyelids, allowing a wave of relaxation that just rushes down through the ears, heavying the eyelids, softening the cheekbones, allowing the chin to feel relaxed, allowing an easy wave that flows down to the front of the throat, to the back of the neck, softening and surrendering, opening your heart at the front of the body, softening through the shoulders and the muscles of the shoulders, relaxing the arm bones and the arm muscles, allowing a wave of relaxation that washes from wrists into fingers, gently softening down through the heart and the belly, allowing a wave of relaxation that washes down hips and the thighs, softening the knees and the shins, softening through the ankles, allowing a wave of relaxation that washes down through ankles to heels, softening through the arches of the feet to the toes, allowing a reverse wave of relaxation that washes back up, letting go of any muscular effort in the feet and the legs, softening through the bottom and the pelvic wall, relaxing each vertebrae down onto the mat, allowing a soft and a subtle wave that relaxes the shoulders down and back, softening through the arms and the fingers, allowing a soft and a subtle wave from the throat to the jaw, to the ears at the top of the head, and bringing your awareness to your heart and imagining a beaming ray of sun, or maybe it's a beaming ray of moonlight from a full moon shining at the center of your heart, really illuminating and lighting up your heart. Or perhaps you could imagine like a little flashlight or a diffuser light turns on and it just starts glowing and growing. And at the center of your heart, within this light, a flower starts to be blooming, and gently as it blooms, it's at full bloom at the center of your heart. Imagine the vibrant colors. Can you see the intricate waves? Can you feel the joy this flower brings you, allowing your heart to be wide open to love, to be wide open to healing, giving yourself permission to trust that sleep is your healing conduit as you open and expand through your heart center, really reveling at this magic that you house within you as you open to love, as you open to healing, softening into the mat, allowing your body to feel held, letting your relaxation go deeper and deeper, letting go, allowing yourself to be held, to know that you are safe here, that this is where your healing happens, and to trust that healing is happening. healing is your birthright. And that with this softening and these healing energies that you are cultivating, that healing is unfolding on its own timing. Welcoming a healing breath that rolls in through the nostrils with a sigh of relief on the exhale. Really welcoming that breath that comes in. And exhale, softening down towards the mat or mattress. Welcoming the breath in. Exhale, deepening your relaxation. Beautiful. And as you gently bring your awareness back into the body, just with a little bit of a wiggle of the fingers and the toes, and from the back, you can hug the knees in, and you can roll to a side or stay on the back, whatever is in your practice. And you can receive these healing affirmations. I love you. I love you. I love you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am sleeping deeply tonight. I am sleeping deeply tonight. I am sleeping deeply tonight. And just gently bringing your body up. Unless you can go to bed, then go to bed or meet me in a seated position and just take a moment to just feel all of that relaxation that you created. The love and the light within me honors and acknowledges the love and the light within you. Namaste, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly hope that you sleep so deeply tonight. I love you. I will be back here with you tomorrow.